Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect the Hostinger to Owl's Amazon. So first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to log into our Owl's account and then make sure that you have logged into your Hostinger account as well. Okay, after that right here, just go to the domains and then we are just going to manage our domain here in Hostinger. We tap on the manage DNS. Okay, and then I'm just going to add in your record right here. So open your Owls Amazon and then here just go to your instances. That's right. And then here be able to see here now your public IP version 4 DNS. So we have that one right here. So what we're going to do is to simply copy this one. Okay. So copy and go back here and then you just have to paste it right here. After that, you just have to simply click on the add record. Okay, and then once you're done, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, you will successfully connected your Owls Amazon to your Hostinger. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.